Good morning. So it's day, what am I up to, day 3 I think it is. So I'm just leaving from Saxon hut. It's about 8:50 in the morning. It was quite windy earlier this morning. I thought I was going to be in for a bit of a wilder day, but it's the wind's calmed down. Although there's talk of rain, there's some clouds up ahead, but yeah, it's debatable whether it's actually going to rain. So the long-term weather forecast is no rain, so I'll have to wait and see. But slept all right last night. It's a nice group of people. They're all pretty friendly and like to chat. But yeah, slept reasonably well last night. So today I'm heading off to Mackay hut. So it's another short day today. I think the last day is where I have the longer day. So yeah, really enjoying this hike at the moment. I'll have to seriously consider whether I do some more of the great walks in New Zealand, because yeah, this has been really good. And a lot of people talk about the Kepler track, the Milford track, and there's one other one I can't remember at the moment. But yeah, they're all quite good. So also trying to leave a bit earlier than the rest of the group, because the rest of the group we're going to leave in about the next half hour. So trying to avoid the crowds, trying to get a bit of the place to myself. Once you get away from the people, it's really quite peaceful here. It's I suppose that's the bush all over, really, isn't it? Just getting away from the hustle and bustle. Most of the time on this walk you're walking in like under the shade of the trees, whereas occasionally you kind of come out to these sort of open grasslandy type river areas. It's good variety, I suppose. Well, just arriving at James Mackay hut. So I've made really good time. It's only like 11:30. So yeah, I'll stop here for lunch, and I'm staying here tonight, so I've probably got half a day to kill. So hopefully there's stuff to see and do around here. The ocean. Wow, what a view. Just doing a quick walk up to the lookout just above Mackay Hut. Although the view from Mackay Hut is pretty good, so interested to see if it's any better. Well, the view from the trig station at top of Mackay Hut there was definitely worth it. It's a really short walk, it's a bit tricky getting up there, you've got to watch your footing. So if you're doing the Heaphy Track and you're staying at James Mackay Hut and you've got enough time, it's worth popping up to the trig station to have a look. It's only about a 20-minute walk, but definitely worth it.